Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, these bulls are strong. Close up near the high of the day 2 days in a row. Continuation, and they were the clear lead bulls today. Huge move to the upside, and we're looking at the all-time high. We came within 36 cents of that level. Very, very close, and increasing bull volume 3 days in a row. We do have the Google earnings after hours and looking like a little bit of a bearish reaction, and that is going to weigh on the Facebook bulls. We will likely see some downside correlation if Google is red tomorrow, so keep that in mind. And we'll be looking for a potential bearish reversal candlestick if that is the case. Obviously, the bulls want to see a new all-time high before that happens to avoid from this little double top lower high at that level. For the weekly time frame, full control for the bulls. Even if we do consolidate, we could pull all the way back down to 127, still be looking great on the weekly time frame and have the all-time high in sights. That's really the only resistance we're looking at, and the bulls on the daily are extremely strong. Last consolidation was a bull flag leading to continuation, and we'll be looking for a similar type of consolidation depending on what Google does tomorrow. We're going to be watching that correlation pretty close on the shorter term time frames. Looking at Facebook, we have a very clear support level to be watching. Hourly 20 period moving average. This is the past 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times this level has held. It is currently at 132.04. As long as that level holds, the bulls remain in control. But if we lose that, then we look for the bearish reversal candlestick to form on the daily time frame, and we look for a pullback, albeit it will be short term. At this point, the bulls are strong enough that we can anticipate consolidation will be normal and healthy. RSI on the hourly is cooling off significantly. You can see that big upper wick as Google had a bullish reaction after earnings and then bearish. So Facebook's been all over the place with Google. 5-minute time frame for Facebook. Bulls in full control right out of the gate. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Same story. And then we did see a little bit of profit taking towards the end of the day. And then you can see after hours, all this wild action. We broke 134. We dumped down under 132. So flattening out a little bit, reaching a little bit of an equilibrium as we wait to see what Google's going to do tomorrow morning. But the way things are settling down, it does look like there's going to be a little bit of downside bearish action. So that's what we're looking at for Facebook. All-time high is in sight. We got earnings on Facebook. I believe next week. We'll double check that date, but obviously, the bulls are set up. If we get a bullish reaction with all-time highs and lack of resistance, we could very easily see the Facebook bulls push up towards 140. So we'll see how the action heads into those earnings as to what traders and investors are anticipating. And we'll check back in over the weekend to see how we close this week after trading tomorrow. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.